Soil tests provide information regarding the fertility of your soil. Knowing the measurements of such things as soil pH, organic matter, and macro and micronutrients help home gardeners grow healthier plants. However, in order to receive the appropriate recommendations for your lawn or ornamental areas, it is extremely important that you take the time to properly collect soil samples to submit to the testing laboratory. Things you will need to collect a soil sample include a soil sampler or small shovel to extract the soil, a plastic bucket for mixing the collected soil, and a box for submitting the composite sample to the laboratory. The LSU Ag Center has helped to simplify this process by creating soil sample kits. These kits provide 3 soil boxes, instruction for taking a soil sample, and a box labeled with a prepaid return mailing address. First, determine the number of areas that require sampling. For example, you may collect soil from your lawn for one sample and soil from an ornamental bed for another. Once you have developed a plan on the number of samples you will be submitting to the laboratory, it's time to begin the sampling procedure. In your lawn, you will collect soil from at least 4 to 6 areas. Soil should be collected within the upper 4 inches. Remember, the upper 4 inches of soil contain the majority of grass roots that will absorb available nutrients. Remove the turf from the sample. Place these samples in a plastic bucket to create a composite sample. With your hand, mix or homogenize the soil within the plastic bucket before placing it in the sample box. Make sure to label where the sample was collected and the types of plants or turf present before submitting to the laboratory. The same procedure is used in ornamental areas and vegetable gardens, but make sure to take samples below the mulch layer. Samples can be collected within the upper 6 inches of soil, since many ornamental plants have deeper root systems. You may need to submit more than one sample for lawn and or ornamental areas, depending on the type and number of plants present. Fill out the soil testing form provided in the kit. Forms are also available from your parish extension office, the LSU Ag Center website, or some local nurseries. Mail your sample or samples directly to the testing laboratory using the provided testing kit boxes. Within a few weeks, results will be mailed or emailed to you regarding the nutritional needs of your lawn and or ornamentals. Other soil and water tests are also available. For more information regarding available soil and water tests, visit the LSU Ag Center website.